Couples, let's see those early pics with each other. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can do this viral add your Instagram change story right here. So keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram app, and then from there you have to search for Ali and John YTT, just like this. And then once you get here, you have to go to July add yours from highlight, which is right here. Then you have to tap until you find your desired story. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, and at the end of the video I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo for this story. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and share this with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights this time. So here at super viral, then you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check this video if you have problems by clicking on the add yours button. If this video was useful for you, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.